Okay, Shannon Falls, Shannon Falls. I'm gonna come back here, see if I can get a pin for my collection. So I'm trying to... This is it, tourist paradise right here, Shannon Falls. Helicopter. Souvenir time, let's see what they got. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Do you have pins?
Just over there on the wall there.
On the wall. Where? Oh, nice. We're gonna pick up some pins.
And then there's just a couple here too, First Nation ones.
Yeah.
And then there's some in the bowl there too.
All right, cool, cool.
So yeah, lots of different ones.
You don't mind being on camera?
I don't want to be on camera.
She doesn't want to be on. All right, so this is it. Little. I got a little pin. Yeah, see right here. Right there, the little pin. SeaToSky, the one I wanted, the Squamish one, $14. $14 for it, man. I'm not paying. I don't care if I'm in Las Vegas, Los Angeles, Banff, Jasper, or Shannon Falls. I'm not paying $14 for a pin, but I'm happy that I stopped and got one. Got to pick up a couple Vancouver pins too when I'm downtown tomorrow. But yeah, this is it. A good tourist stop, but not compared to the other stuff out here. There's tons of other things to do out here, but good for a picnic.